Hey peeps, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beauty by Deanna D, and how are y'all doing today? I can't believe spring is really coming in, you guys. I'm super excited. Why not rock spring with some jewelry? Okay, you guys, why not? I'm super excited because today I'm going to be filming my first ever Hello Ice jewelry. Now, Hello Ice reached out to me and they was like, hey, you know, we love your channel, blah blah blah. We would like to know if you'd like to review one of our products. I was like, yeah, hello, reviewing, that's what I like to do. So if without any further ado, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and also share this video and leave your comment below if you have purchased from this company before, or if you haven't, let me know in the comments. Anyway, so this is the box that it came in. I received it last week and I was super excited to receive their product because it was like, wow, jewelry brands, wow. So okay, so this is what it came like. You know, it came in this packaging, of course, you know, a bigger package, but it came in this little small box here. And when you open it, you have the box itself with the jewelry, and it says Hello Ice. And then when you take it out of the box, y'all, this gives me luxury vibes. Oh, and by the way, some of these jewelry prices are very much luxury vibes, but you can get the jewelry like literally low key for like a really good price. So you get luxury vibes jewelry for a low price. My channel is always about affordable and being on a budget, so I was like, hey, this is even better, this is even great. So also you get this little bag right here that the jewelry itself is inside, and you open it. Let's see, oh, I got a little charm. And then also a D initial, because you know that's my name. That's my name. Say my name. Say my name. Yeah, that's me. And then you have the actual necklace part to go with it. It's 24 inch, so the necklace is 24 inch. I really want to try the necklace on first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my back some. And I'm going to try this on. So here is the chain itself. So there's the chain itself, you guys. And then here is the D. If y'all can see that. So I'm just going to take the necklace off the thing and just apply it into the hoop like you would normally do any other jewelry. And these diamonds in this necklace is so gorgeous, you guys. These diamonds are everything. Diamonds is a girl's best friend, right? So I'm just going to take the necklace, of course, like it's like I'm talking in a makeup tutorial. I'm not really used to this, you guys, so I'm just gonna give you guys like my honest opinion about it and everything. I'm struggling just to put on some necklaces, okay? It's not like I'm applying lashes. Putting on necklace. Okay, let's just do this. Okay. I'm gonna like y'all, I'm mad about me struggling right about now. This ain't it, sis. Oh, so it is very lengthy based off of me applying the necklace, like trying it on. Very lengthy. I do like that myself. It's very lengthy. Ew. And so as you guys can see, the attachment, like whenever you're ready to attach the necklace, it's kind of hard with nails, by the way. I have on nails, so that's kind of like why I'm probably kind of like struggling to. Yay. Okay, so there's this like special hoop that go. Ugh, crap. Yay! So I have room, even though I'm a chubbier person. Like, I have room on my neck. So this is what it looks like with the chain. Oh, this is cute. I actually like this. Come through Hello Ice. Okay, so I'm gonna go on their website because this is cute as well. If you go on Hello Ice, and they actually having a Mother's Day sale right now as we speak. So if you go to the Hello Ice page, you go to the women's section, and you go. This is so nice, and it feels so lightweight on my neck as it is. And then initial. Okay, so I have the women's cursive style initial, and it's very affordable price. It's like right now it's like $50, and then also you can get it in different colors too, which is cool. And then the chain itself you can get, and also I have a bracelet. So I have a bracelet. This bracelet looks amazing. I'm so excited. This bracelet actually though, I could probably wear like literally no lie, like with a casual outfit or just with an outfit in general. Like, I'm just gonna see how I'm gonna apply this bracelet. See. This bracelet is kind of like heavyweight too, by the way. I'm just, trying to put it on here. This is a heavyweight type bracelet, which is kind of okay for me. Like, I don't want to have like a light bracelet on. I'm trying to get this bracelet on by myself. Yay, I got it on. Woo! Got this bracelet on. So as you can see, even with the bracelet, like, I think it has like an adjustable strap to it, like for you to be able to adjust, and it connects to. Oh man, I got it off. Crap, I had it. Okay, so you guys, this is what it looks like on my wrist. Like, look how much room you have with it. You just have a lot of room. You can be able to adjust it. So do I approve? I'm approving this because, for one, it looks good on my neck. Like, it literally looks good, and I have a lot of room. And two, like, the bracelet itself is everything for me. So, okay. But anyways, you guys, I really, really like it. I think it's very affordable. I think it's very worth it with the necklace, and I love everything about it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. And I gotta go, and let me know what you guys think about the jewelry. And I gotta chat with you soon. Bye.